ProQuest Dialog's basic search provides easy, intuitive ways to get quick facts and information. The search that follows shows you how to find monoclonal antibodies to treat the rheumatoid arthritis in Phase 2 or Phase 3 clinical trials, where the country of development is the USA. You will see versions of this search not only in basic search, but also in advanced search and command line search. This is the opening screen. The top bar shows how many databases are available. From here you can conduct a search in all available databases or by all the databases in a particular industry subject category, or you can scroll down and choose a particular database to search. Scroll down to the Pharmaceutical and Biomedical category list of databases and click ATIS R&D Insight. In basic search, enter the keywords into the query line: monoclonal antibodies, and USA, and rheumatoid arthritis, and Phase 2 or Phase 3. You can leave out the "and" since it's assumed, but put phrases like rheumatoid arthritis, monoclonal antibodies, Phase 2, Phase 3 in quotation marks, and terms you want to "or" together in parentheses. The results page shows how many records fit your search criteria. Click Search Within and modify your search. When you click Search Within, you go to the bottom of the page. You can enter a company name, for instance, Pfizer, and see what drugs for this indication Pfizer is developing. This file is a good competitive intelligence tool. Now, with very focused results, you can browse titles and get a free preview of records before selecting records you want to keep for the session. Advanced Search gives added flexibility to combine concepts into a search form with multiple query lines and focus on particular fields in the database. Built into the search form are limit options, which you can incorporate into your strategy with a checkbox or a drop list. You can also preview record results and analyze what you have done so far. Click Advanced Search. On the Advanced form, enter your strategy into the query boxes. You can limit search terms from the drop-down boxes. For example, limit rheumatoid arthritis to indications. You can add a row to include all of your specifications. The CL field refers to the drug classification. L1X3 is the classification code for our tinnioplastic monoclonal antibodies. You can find a complete list of these codes by clicking Look Up Classification Code on the Advanced Search form. Click Preview Result Counts to see how many records fit your search criteria. To go directly to the results page, click Search. In minutes, you created a search set S1. Clear the search form and combine other concepts with the search set by entering into the query box something like S1 and toxic asterisk to retrieve all forms of the word toxic. Click the hyperlink search strategy to go to the results page. Command line search takes you a step further, where you can create distinct search sets, view field codes, and limit by publication dates. Help links abound throughout ProQuest Dialog on each search form. Click Command Line Search. Command Line Search provides one query box, which expands to fit your search strategy. This search strategy illustrates the ability to create 5 distinct search sets on 5 different lines. As in Advanced Search, you can add search fields, look up terms, and get help on field codes. On this form, you can see a drop list to limit to publication dates. Click Preview Result Counts to see how many records fit your strategy for each set, and then for Set 1, S2, S3, and S4 combined, or ANDed together. Analyze your result counts and decide what you want to do next. To see the records from S5, click the hyperlinked search strategy. Now let's take a look at some other features on the results page. You can use the date slider to narrow retrieval to specific time periods, such as a year, a range of years, or months or days. You slide the bar tabs to the years you want and click Update. Or you could click on a bar to get 1 year or range. You can also narrow by classification, phases of development, companies, and more. Records are sorted by relevance, and you can use the drop list to change to the most frequent or the oldest first. You can glimpse publication titles or other facets and use these facets to narrow your results. After selecting records, click View Selected. Here in Selected Items, you can read your records and email, print, cite, export, or save them. Note how long and detailed ADA's R&D Insight records are. Companies and their drugs in development are monitored carefully through the literature. See the References section, as well as by direct contact with drug companies for information on current developments. Indexing follows with hyperlinked terms, drug names, company names, therapeutic classes, and many more. From novice to advanced information professional, you'll find features in the 3 search forms that help you find the answers you need and provide paths to excellent analysis. Use Basic Search if you're just getting started in online searching, or if you have a quick search you want to run. Use Advanced Search to add complexity to your queries. Use Command Line Search if you are an experienced researcher and you want to build multifaceted searches and play with concepts in multiple search sets. To see the 3 search forms in greater detail, view the at-a-glance short modules at the ProQuest Dialog customer information site, www.dialog.com/ProQuestDialog. Click the Training tab.